symbol file. How to export symbol file from automation builder. Then you see the not available XML type file. Then you go first symbol configuration. And execute build command to enable select variables. You need an error free build. So first you go build, field done, then select variables, one by one select use for display. Then all selection done, then build, done, then use save project and build project, build done, then login with online change. Okay, login done, then go build section and generate code. Code generate done, then you can see XML document available. This file used for HMI tags. So guys, like, share and subscribe my channel, and next video HMI tag import file. Thank you for watching.